Hello, my name is Mohammad Hossain and I'll be presenting my design studio to work now. This is the first board that I did. This is the perspective board with the name of the house. I called it Elonscape House because this is a house designed for Elon Musk and his family as a vacation home with a home office. So that's why I called it Elonscape House. So my client is Elon Musk. He is 49 years old. His nationalities include that he is an American, a South African, and a Canadian. For his professions, he is considered to be a business magnate, an industrial designer, and an engineer. As he is a designer, he also designs his some of his own products, and he uses this type of design approach for he for like most of his designs. He uses sustainable designs and minimalistic design. Keeping that in mind, I chose sustainability as my concept for designing the house. I tried to design a self-sufficient building in terms of electricity usage. To achieve this goal, I'm using solar panels, and the vertical gardens help me to achieve sustainability in a more clearer way, because the vertical gardens will reduce the overall carbon footprint of the house, so it makes it more sustainable. For design approach, I'm using hierarchy and rhythm. Rhythm can be seen on the vertical gardens and the window frames and whatnot. And hierarchy can be seen in terms of the sizes of level 2 and level 1. Okay, so for design development, I used uh, this type of method to develop the design. And basically, space optimization had the most priority during form development. This is the side response that I did for my project. I chose to position my building over here because it is like closer to the entrance, and like this part of the site is more private compared to the other part, because on the other part we have bamboo playhouse, which is already public engagement area, so most public will go to that site, leaving my main building's position quite private. And from here I have like good views from towards all sides of the building except for this side, which is the Perdana eating corner service entrance view, but luckily this gets blocked off by the deep vegetation which is on this part of the island. And placing the building over here gives me good wind from different sides, like on different time of the year. So there will be ample cross ventilation throughout the year inside the building. And the top part of the building is not covered with vegetation, so the solar panels can have direct contact with the sun and produce sufficient electricity for the house. So these are the bubble diagrams that I did for level 1 and level 2. You basically enter through the building, and then you can go to living area, dining area, kitchen area, everywhere, because they are all these spaces are interconnected, and the public engagement area is kept private for public to use. And uh, after that you get to level 2 using the stair. And when you reach level 2, the stairs guide you to the hallway. From the hallway you can go to the master bedroom, the bathroom, the bedroom, the office, the patio, and the stairs. And this is the space matrix that I did for my house. The total area is 132 meters square, which includes the public engagement area of 25 meters square. And for the structure, I'm using concrete columns and beam structure. And this diagram shows the position of the columns and beams inside the structure. This is my site plan of the project. This is the main building, and this is the public engagement area. And now these are the floor plans for the actual building. As you can see in level 1, there are no partition walls within the space. This helps to create an open space with which looks much bigger than it actually is. And in level 2, the hallway and the patio is considered to be semi-private spaces. The other spaces are all sort of private spaces for only for the users to use. So like this is the master bedroom, this is the bedroom, and this is the office. Okay, so these are the sections of my building. Then the materials used for my project are timber, concrete, brick, and aluminum. And these are the elevations. This is the back elevation, this is the front elevation, this is the left elevation, this is the right elevation. This is the sectional details board. This shows the construction details of the house. The solar panels are placed on top. The roof is made of concrete. The beams are made of concrete as well. For the vertical garden, I'm using aluminum to build a frame in which the plants can grow. And like the walls of the building are made up of brick. The walls are basically brick walls with cement plasters. And for floor, I'm using concrete floor slabs with timber finishing. And then this is the axonometric of my main building. Okay, so these are the this is solar panels, then this is the roof. And then here you see the truss system that supports the roof. Then this is the main frame of the building. And then these are the brick walls. And this is the floor slab, which is made of concrete. The staircase is made of precast concrete. And this is the vertical garden that I was talking about. The frame is made of aluminum. Okay, so this is my last board, and this is the public engagement area board. For the public engagement area, I did an information center uh, with sitting area and mobile device charging stations. People can rest and educate themselves on sustainable living. The treadmills inside the public engagement area converts kinetic energy to electricity that helps the solar panels on the rooftop in powering the center. So like this way, this building is also made self-sufficient. I chose to build an information center on self-sufficient living because my client himself is preaching the idea of self-sufficient living, and I believe that this center will like help him spread his word to general public. So this is the floor plan and the roof plan and the sectional views of the inside of the for the engagement area. And this is the interior perspective, and these are the elevation views of the engagement area. So finally, this is my collage of all my boards. This is the perspective board, and the client and concept and ideation board, then site response and space planning board, then this is the site plan and floor plan board, this is the section board, then this is the elevation board, then this is the construction details board, this is the axonometric terrain board, and then this lastly is the engagement board. So like thank you for listening, and that's all.